Hey everyone, I just wanted to use this short video to show you how I did the answers to quiz 2. So yeah, let me share my screen. So I've typed in, where is it? I've typed in the data into here. I've got name and count, right? The number of, or the various letter ranges for the names and how many people fall into that range. So I wanted to show you something that you can do that I don't believe I've shown you before. Which is this. So I'm just going to select these. So I'm going to Control C for copy. And then I'm going to go to here. And this, I've already done this, so that's why the table's already here. But if I just hit paste, it will paste the table in. It just treats it like a table right from the get-go, which is really nice, right? So we don't have to fool around with making a table here. It just knows it's a table. And now, how do I delete this table? It's not the right click. Delete table. There we go. All right, cool. For the one that's in the answers, I've fancied it up a little bit. Yeah, you can see what I've done there. All right, so I asked you to make a table for number 1. Number 2, use a spreadsheet program to make pie chart, bar chart, line graph. Make sure variables are named something appropriate, etc. Students by last name, and use good design principles. So using good design principles is easy because we kind of default to good design principles. So everything is. I'm gonna go ahead. Select that. Everything is selected here. So we're going to make a pie chart, bar chart, and line graph. So same as always, hit chart. Give it a second. Did it click? There we go. Pie chart. Fantastic. We called it. I forgot what we wanted to call it. Students by last name. Students by last name. All right. So we'll go ahead and change this to. That wasn't very good. Let's try that again. Students by last name. There we go. Okay. I don't see any particular need to go ahead and change this. These design principles look fine to me. I'm going to copy paste this chart, copy and paste in here. I'm going to paste it unlinked as usual so that we can. That's not the thing I wanted to paste. I'm not sure why I did that. If I just hit delete, yeah, it does. All right. So this guy, do I need to do this? Copy chart. I don't think you actually need to do that. I usually just use Control C, but paste chart, paste unlinked. Oh, good, it worked better this time. All right, there's the room. That's way too big, so I'm going to go ahead and make this change the size on this thing. It's currently 4 inches high, so page is 11.5 inches high, or 11 inches high, and I'm going to have 3 charts here. I think I'm going to try and put the charts on top of each other. So I want to make this about maybe 3 inches. No, probably less than that. Probably more like 2. So let's make the whole thing 2 inches. There we go. We'll keep the aspect ratio the same, of course, so that it looks nice. And yeah, that's we're good there. All right, so I'm going to go get the next chart. I'm not going to worry about the text wrapping this time because I'm just going to put them below each other. So if I just leave it in line, it's fine. I believe we can change the border if we want. Image options. There should be a border in here. In there? I'm almost positive we could put a border on this. That's this guy here. What's this? I'm gonna not worry about it. Oh, there it is. Okay, border. Let's make it blue. A nice blue theme going here. Yeah, it's pretty bright, but good enough for me. All right, let's go back here. I'm gonna make a. I'm gonna cancel this. I've got this, so we'll make another chart. Not a pie chart. We asked for bar chart, so go. Call it students by last name. Students by last name. There we go. I'm going to put data labels on here as always. I think that's really helpful. Is that vertical axis probably? No, I think it's in series, isn't it? Data labels. Yep, looks good. Yeah, if I'm going to outline this in blue, yeah, this is fine, I guess. All right, I think we're good there. Let's go ahead and if I just hit Control C for copy. Does it know that I copied that? This didn't work last time. No, it doesn't. Interesting. I guess we have to copy chart. I don't remember having to do that before, but that's fine. Copy chart. Go in here, paste it in, unlinked, so that if the spreadsheet changes, we don't have to go fix it. So, whoops. Let's go here to size. We're gonna make it 2 inches high. And change the border. Border is this one. There it is. Make it the same nice blue we've got there. Yeah, this isn't great design principles. It's too much blue, but I'm not gonna worry too much about it. And then line graph was the other one. We'll go ahead and close this. And with that, we'll open up another chart. We'll make it line graph this time. That one. Sure. And we'll put data labels on it, which are in series, data labels. All right, there we go. It doesn't show the top one. I wish it wouldn't do that. It needs to go a little bit higher. Currently goes up to 1500. If I make it go up to like 1800, that should show everything, right? Because the reason it's not showing this one is it's just too high. Like this thing, apparently the text goes off the top of the chart here. So let's just say this is 1800. There we go. Now it's it goes up to 2000. That's fine. Whatever, that works. Data labels are shown. We're going to copy this chart, and we're going to go back to here, paste the chart in, unlinked, make it 2 inches high, and have a border. Inches. There we go. That looks nice. Ish. And border. Oops, I messed up. I didn't change the name. Gosh darn it. Let's go back and fix that. This is students by last name. Copy this chart. Go delete the other one. So copy this chart. Go here, delete that. Paste in the new one. Unlinked. Change the height to 2 inches. So it same as the other guys. Go up here, put a border on it. It's this one. Nice blue border. And I believe we are done. I think that is the whole quiz, since the whole quiz was about displaying data, and we've done so. All right, so I believe that's it. Let's just go have a quick last check. Paste charts into word processing document, make them all the same size, and fit them neatly on one page. We did those things, so that is all I wanted to say about this quiz. Great, I'm going to stop the video, and I will see you in the next one.